Of course, the most important thing with speakers is sound, and this is the absolute best. This is better than JBL, this is better than Sony, and this is definitely better than Beats. In fact, if you paid top dollar for any of those brands, you should be absolutely kicking yourself because you have wildly overpaid, because this beats all of those at a fraction of the price. Now, of course, speakers are best appreciated in person as they always sound better as opposed to video, but let's go ahead and do a quick sound test.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Now, there's not much else to say about this speaker other than it's an absolute must-buy if you're looking for a portable and affordable speaker that can offer clean and crispy sound that can fill an entire house. In fact, this is the first Bluetooth speaker I have ever seen that has a perfect 5-star rating on Amazon with this many reviews, and it was chosen by Wirecutter.com as their top choice for a budget Bluetooth speaker.